Welcome to the screencast for adding a media file to Transana. Stay on this page if you want to add a single media file and create your own transcript, or if you want to add a media file and import a transcript from an existing word processing file. If you want to add several media files at once with automated transcription, you should choose the Import Media Files with Automated Transcripts option, which has its own tutorial page. To bring new media data into Transana, we start with a library. A library is where we add new source data for analysis in Transana. For this demonstration, we'll use the My Files library, which Transana created automatically when we created this database. We right-click the library to get a pop-up menu with our options. On Mac OS with a one-button mouse, use Control-click to emulate a right-click. We'll choose Add Episode from the menu. We could enter an episode ID, but instead we will select a media file from our hard drive and let Transana automatically name the episode after the media file. Let's go ahead and press the Add File button, then double-click the demo subdirectory and choose the demo MP4 file. Now I'll click OK to create the episode. As you can see, the new episode now appears in the database tree under the library I initially selected. Transana is now automatically prompting us to create a transcript for the new episode. We have several options at this point. If we want to create a blank transcript, we can simply provide a transcript ID to name our transcript and press OK. We can use this blank transcript if we want to code media data without a transcript, or we can start manual transcription at this point. If we want Transana to create an automated transcript, we can select an automated transcription method on this form. You may want to refer to the automated transcription overview page in the Transana tutorial for help understanding which option best meets your analytic needs. If we already have a transcript for this media file in Word docx format, in rich text format, in Transana's custom XML format, or in plain text format, we can browse to that file down here and import that transcript into Transana. For the sake of this demonstration, we'll just type in a name for our transcript and press OK to create a blank transcript. Transana adds the transcript to the episode and is ready to open the transcript media file pair. The first time we open a media file in Transana, Transana asks if we want to create a WAV file for that media file. Click Yes so the Transana can create the waveform diagram shown in the visualization window. The video file and the blank transcript are now loaded, ready for transcription and analysis. But we'll cover that in other tutorial pages. Transana works with a wide variety of media formats, but it doesn't work with everything. If your media file doesn't work properly within Transana at this point, one thing to try is running it through Transana's media conversion tool. That often resolves the problem. Please visit the media conversion tutorial page if you have trouble with media playback.